I wish for unlimited wishes.
No, are you dumb? That's against the rules.
Fine then, I wish for an umbrella.
Okay, then
For
what?
my second wish, I want you to put it up your butt.
Why would you do that?
I'm about to end this genie's whole career. Now,
Do not skip, because this month you will achieve everything you desire. I hear your requests every day, and that is why I am here today to tell you that your day to receive has arrived. But for you to receive, stay in this video until the end and click on all the buttons beside to show all your love for me.
give me unlimited wishes before I ask you to open it.
And I keep that little nigga wondering, this shit on my head is so